Hi guys, this is our third video in our setting up the oscilloscope series, and this video is about how you can save the wave you're getting or the image of the wave you're getting. And I guess you could just take a photo of it, but that seems unprofessional and you're gonna get like a glare photo, but there's the right way to do this. So for this you're gonna need a USB drive, and what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna put the USB inside of the USB-A port, USB-A port over here. We're just gonna put that in. Oh, oops, never mind. Yeah, so we put the USB-A port in, and right now the signal you're seeing over here is actually the one we did in the last video, just to see if it was working, and we're just gonna like take a few pictures of that. The way to save this from the oscilloscope onto the USB drive is using the quick button, but for that we have to configure it. So over here in the bottom left corner, you're gonna see a settings bar, and you're just gonna click on that little icon with the R on it. And then over here, there's like a ton of options, and we're just gonna go ahead and choose quick over here, quick. And now we can see over here the ways to save our data. So the first way is you can save the image, and you need to make sure that's set to PNG and it's on save image. So whenever you click the quick button, which is over here, it's gonna send it to the USB drive and store it in there. So let's just see this right now. We have the save image and then the PNG. I'm just going to close this. Oops. Okay. And then if I just press the quick button now, you can see it says file saved path, and it saved it as a PNG onto this drive. And it saved this signal as an image. So now you can also save the wave. That's not the only thing you can save. So we can go back here, quick, save wave. And you want to make sure this is in CSV. Oh, yeah. And oh man, the touchscreen on this is like a little hard to use, but okay. Now we saved it to the wave in the CSV form. If you click quick, that's what it's gonna do. Yeah, and save the CSV form of this wave onto this drive as well. So now we have successfully saved it. Now we can just open it up on our laptop and we can see the contents of the USB. Thank you. Hey guys, so now we have our USB drive, and we're just gonna see the data we collected from this. I'm just gonna minimize this. Yeah, so now I'll head over to my Finder, and I'm gonna put the drive in. Yes, and now I see AD stick over here, which is my drive, and over here I can see all of the images I have. Let me just pull this up. So these are some of the images I took from my oscilloscope, and you can see that they're clean here. These are just two of them. I just did it a few times. And there's also like the CSV one we took, remember, just to save the wave, and we can open that one up too. And that's just gonna open up as a bunch of numbers. It's gonna be part of like a spreadsheet. Yeah, it's just gonna mark the waveform over time, and it's just gonna open up like that. But this data can be used, like you can replot it and reopen it in another window.